Here we are about to do another project. I'm sitting at my work desk at home. However, I'm not a gold person. So wait, where's my finger? This has to go, this has to go, that has to go. Here are the utensils and everything I'm gonna use. I have a cup, I have some baking soda, different size paint brushes because I don't know what I wanna use. And then I have some paint over here as well. So let's get started and see what happens. Hola and welcome or welcome back to Kim at Home. How are you doing today? How are you feeling? How's your mental health? I really care, so I need a real answer below in the comments. It's not just about me talking to you. I would also like for you to talk to me as well. If you're new here, my name is Kim, again, KYM, and I do videos pertaining to home life. So I do a little bit of cooking, cleaning, DIYs, projects, repairs, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe on your way out because it really does help my channel. Saying all of that to say I am very thankful that you're here, and right now I'm just working on some things that I've been wanting to work on, just painting this plain box of whatever it is. I'm not really sure, but I use it as a decoration. But I'm running out of time and it's time to go to my cousin's baby shower. Look how beautiful.
Shoulders, head, knees, shoulders, knees, cut. Head, shoulders, head, knees, shoulders, knees, cut.
It's time to hang some curtains finally. I'm excited about it. Are you excited about it? Here is what we are going to use. We have the leather straps again. We are going to get to hanging. And here is, what do you call this? The curtain rod? Here's the curtain rod that we're going to hang it with. Shout out to my cousin Tequila because she was quick on them hands with that game. That game was so much fun to watch. I've been needing to hang these curtains in my daughter's room for about 3 weeks now. She's really excited that they're getting hung, and honestly, I am too. One thing that I like to do when I'm working on projects and that sort of thing around the house is take her along with me. She needs to know how to do these things, and my dad used to do this with me when I was younger.
We are the eye on the needle.
Okay guys, so come with me to get the command strips in the hallway. Okay. Part 2, got the wrong stuff.
We are the eye on the needle. Just breathe it out, then breathe in. When we're in the eye of the needle. So breathe it.
The curtains are hung now. I do need to hang the curtains downstairs in the living room. But before I do that, what am I going to do in here? I'm going to hang up that picture. Show them the picture I'm going to hang up. Soon as you walk in her door, this is where she wants it to go. We're going to do this with the command strips. I don't know about them things.
Or
They
spray 'em.
stink. For real, I'm not even exaggerating. They smell like fish. Oh my gosh, they smell terrible. It's not funny, y'all. It reeks. Please go put that in the garage and let it air out for 12 days because that is not going on your wall today. We're not doing that. I just want to know how vines smell like fish. Like, riddle me that, Batman. When I tell you it smells like Port Huron Beach, terrible. So they've been outside airing out and they're not airing out. They still smell bad. So I'm just going to go ahead and get them returned. The command strips didn't work. This paint is fresh. I'm assuming that's the reason why. So I did have to end up putting a hole in the wall. This is what the picture looks like on the wall. It's pretty cute. My daughter kindly reminded me that I needed to hang up the shelves in her room, so that's what we're going to work on now. Let me tell you something about her. She is not going to let me forget that I need to do something for her, okay? At all. Once I figured out where my mark was to hang these shelves, I wanted to add the anchors first before putting any kind of screw or nail into the wall. And you see, that did not necessarily work out the way that I wanted it to, which is really no surprise, to be honest with you. Just another hole I need to patch and repaint over. Imagine that. I feel like that's what my life has been about for the last month. So the one thing that we were able to get done was the curtains hung, but we cannot hang those shelves because the anchors made a huge hole in the wall. If you've been here for a while, you know I always talk about the drywall with Miranda Homes is horrible. So we are probably just gonna have to start this project when I get different command strips. I ordered these specific ones from Amazon and I'm not liking them. they're not sticking very well. So I need to go back to the old school command strips that really stick. I'll have to go to the at-home store to purchase those. So I'm gonna end this part of the video right here. I was so stressed out I needed to go have Mexican. I'm just saying, any excuse for Mexican food. Oh, hey, I didn't even know you were here. I'm lying, what's up? So, I showed you guys a clip. I went to a baby shower. First of all, let's talk about how extravagant this baby shower was. My cousin knows she knows how to put on a good party, okay? But look at the little party favors, these are really cute. So the theme was strawberry shortcake, cherry blossom, and these are cherry jams. There's a keychain on here, but my cousin stole it. Thanks, Tariq, I appreciate it. So I wanted to show you that. I also wanted to show you what I painted. That I absolutely love how this turned out because I wanted it to look like antique-ish. And to me, it does look a little vintage, antique-ish. So I love how this one turned out. The other one is a work in progress. It's okay though. So let me just tell you something. One thing about me is I love family. I got to spend some time with my family, and going through seasonal depression is very difficult. So that's exactly what I needed in my life. So I was very excited to see my family. I was excited to see the ones I hadn't seen in years. Like I'm talking 10 years. So you guys don't even understand how it filled my cup. And I said to my cousin, I was like, this is exactly what I needed. Because your girl been sad, okay? Seasonal depression sucks. You are a person who knows how it feels to like have anxiety, depression, that sort of thing. You already know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let's move on because I'm not about to dwell on that darkness. I'm gonna move on. Things I need to do today. I need to do the dishes that are in the sink. I also need to make some meatballs, and I'm gonna celebrate my anniversary with my husband today. Our anniversary was March 20th, so let's go. Let's get these dishes done.
We come so far away, covered these scars in diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving looks.
Graduation season is upon us. I've been talking about how my daughter is getting her second degree from The Ohio State University. I'm gonna brown my meatballs in this cast iron skillet. And when I tell you, when you make food in a cast iron skillet, it's a whole nother level of flavor. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna prepare the meatballs first. I'm just gonna get all the materials to do that, including some gloves, because your girl ain't touching no meat. So I'm in the process of making the centerpieces for her grad party. So that's going to be some of the videos that you're going to see coming up, is a lot of DIY centerpieces and just like a plan of what I'm going to do for her actual party. The last time I stood in this very spot, I told you a story that was sad. And right now I'm a little sad because I don't have any grape jelly. So I'm going to make these meatballs with some strawberry jelly. Hopefully it'll taste good. I'm sure it will be fine. I think I'm overthinking because your girl can season some food, okay? So I know they're going to be good, but I normally make them with grape jelly and I don't have any and didn't even realize it. In my head, I have a theme of wildflowers and books, and I'm so excited about it. Like my creative juices are flowing, and I just got to figure out these centerpieces because I have like 12 different ideas. I will be taking you along with me throughout the entire process. You'll have to let me know if you rinse off your dishes before you use them. That has just been a staple in my home, in my family's home. That's just what we do. If we take it out of the cabinet, we definitely rinse it off first. I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I use for the meatballs and for the meatball sauce as well.
Still attached, each other's futures and each other's past. Look at where we are now, baby.
I just want to point out my beautiful apron, and you know it's about to get real up in these YouTube streets with my apron, okay? I'm mixing everything together with one hand and I'm smelling it and I'm like, it's gonna need some more seasoning. So I did add more seasoning with a clean hand and then just, you know, getting everything all together to put in this beautiful cast iron skillet that was heavily, heavily oiled.
Didn't say I love you, but we knew it was true. To this day I still do love you like I'm 17. Still love you like I'm 17. Still love you like I'm 17. Caught up in the memories of you and your blue jeans. You still make me feel like you used to back then. I'm feeling our history so close I can touch it. I just can't stop thinking about us way back when. Make it out and
some liquid gold in the refrigerator. I forgot I had this, and I'm real excited because this is going to be better than strawberry in my opinion. So we're just going to use all of it. Since this is Kim in the future editing this video, let me tell you something about that fig jam. I'm going to start using that over grape jelly every single time I make meatballs from now on. I'm a mad scientist up in this kitchen, and let me tell you something. I love when things organically happen. I love to double dip with my meatballs. I put the meatballs in the sauce and let it cook a little bit with the sauce, and then I put it in the pan and pour it over. That's just how I like to do it. I feel like the flavors soak in even more.
For you, I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. I don't think I can let you go. I don't think I can let you go. Bet you love me before I go. Bet you love me before I go. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need, baby. Tell me about your dreams. Tell me everything, yeah. Do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. I'll do it, I'll do it, I'll do it. Parties never.
Girl, I just heard you ask me how long I made these for. I have no idea how long they baked. They just baked until they were done. And everybody's method and definition of done is different than other people's. So cook them until they're done. Look at these meatballs. They look really good. So they have about 10 more minutes in the oven, but I'm not going to plate them up or anything like that because I'm actually going out. But this is what the meatballs look like. My little great niece Nori and I would like to wish you a happy day, a happy week, and a happy life. Thank you so much for being here.
Bet you love me